Okay, so I'm really dumb. I've just recorded this video and then realised, oh, I had it on manual focus and it wasn't focused on my face, so it was just an entirely blurry video. Nice one, Robert. Okay, so basically, guys, this video, I've got a couple things I want to talk about. If you've read the title, obviously the main part of this video is the fact that I've released an app. It's on the Play Store, it is Android only. That's because Apple charges quite a bit of money if you want to get on the App Store. So if you've got an Android device and you want to try out the game, I'll leave the link to that in the description below. Bearing in mind this is my first game, so there's probably going to be bugs with it. I already know of a couple bugs. If there's anything you notice in the app that you maybe want changed or just something added, then play the game, tell me in the comments below or message me. I've actually got a developer email account that you can message me through. Yeah, if you want to know anything or you want to suggest anything like that, just tell me directly, message me however you want to do it, and it may end up in the game because I am planning on releasing updates. I'll probably have a screenshot on the screen right now of the game itself, and maybe like the logo or something. But yeah, there is future updates that'll be coming to that. I think for the moment it's going to be a little bit slow in terms of updates, and also my YouTube channel next month may be a little bit slow in terms of uploads. I'm going to try and keep it consistent though. This is mainly just because with it being April next month, there's a lot of exams and stuff, there's a lot of assignments that are out which I've got to complete, so it's pretty stressful to do this, a job, make apps, and college. Like there's quite a lot of stuff I try to do at once. But yeah, so just bearing in mind, videos may be a little bit slower next month. If there is going to be updates to the game, they're going to be a bit slower. But yeah, I'll take in suggestions you want for the game. Honestly, as well, just rinse me. Like, if you think the game's absolutely crap, tell me. But don't just go, oh, this game is wank. Be like, this game is wank because of this. If you tell me what I could improve on, then I'll change it, and I'll try and make it better, and hopefully you can be happy that you've influenced the game, I guess. I don't know if you'd be happy by that. I'd be happy with that if I influenced the game, but then again, I made the game, so you know. But yeah, they're pretty much the few things I wanted to say. So app is in the description, it's on the Play Store, check it out, download it. If there's any suggestions you want based on that, for changes for the game or just any additional features, then tell me. You can direct message me, you can comment on this video, you can I don't know, send me an email, heck, even write me a letter if you want. I don't know, go for it, have fun. Yeah, we're actually, as well, we're quite close to 2,000 subscribers. When I say quite close, I mean we're just under 200 subs away. We recently hit 1,800 subscribers, and now I think we're at like 1,825 or something, or like 28 or something around there. But yeah, so we are quite close to 2,000 subscribers. If you are new to the channel, I know a lot of you are new to the channel. I would like to say thank you for subscribing. It does mean a lot. It helps a lot. If you know anyone that does want to see any of the tutorials and wants to learn stuff, definitely share with them, because I'm sure they'll find it helpful. Hopefully. I mean, that is the goal of my channel. So if they don't find it helpful, I've pretty much failed there. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, check out the game if you want, guys. I'm going to end this video here before I just aimlessly ramble on about nothing. But yeah, link for the game in description. Next month might be a bit slow on videos, and I feel like there was something else, but I can't remember, and I don't want to waste too much time, so I'm gonna say bye here, guys. See you later. Au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen.